everyone, welcome back to the Lookbook. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Atisha, and today we are going to start with our festive lookbook series. And the first look I have for you is this beautiful, dewy, glowing makeup look which has pink tones to it. And I personally feel that pink is such a flattering color, and the glow is something perfect for this festive season. So if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, then please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and let's jump right in. So let's start off by moisturizing our face, and I'm going to use the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. This has quickly become one of my favorites, and you should always apply your moisturizer and prep your skin before you do your makeup so that you have a really nice smooth base to work on and your foundation, concealer, everything goes on smoothly. I love how this feels on my skin, super hydrating, and my skin instantly looks fresh. We're also going to moisturize our lips. I'm going to take the Baby Lips Lip Balm. Before starting your makeup, always remember to grab your favorite lip balm and go crazy with it so that by the time you come to lipstick application, your lips are soft, and especially if you're using a liquid lipstick. Now on to foundation. I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I'm in the shade Golden Beige. Now this foundation has medium and buildable coverage. It gives a nice dewy finish. It is not super matte at all, unlike some reviews that I've seen online. So I think it is perfect for a homely gathering that you're going to have this Navratri. So that was just one dip, and now I'm going to slowly buff it into my skin. Again, always remember to go slowly with small strokes and in one direction. You don't want to go in all different directions. That leaves many, brush marks on your skin. Now, if you notice, I haven't applied any foundation under my eye area because I'm already going to apply concealer there. So I don't want to load it up with a lot of product. That tends to crease your under eyes even more. So avoid applying tons of foundation there. Just go with the concealer if that is what you need. On to concealer, I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer, and this is in the shade 03 Light Moin. Again, I apply very little concealer. I don't see why people go all crazy with the triangle and all that. You definitely don't need it, and it's just, you don't need that. I at least don't need that kind of coverage. If you have dark circles, then tons of concealer will not cover that. You will need a separate corrector for it. So yeah, if you don't have a lot of dark circles, like I have hardly any, so a good concealer is good enough for me. Now I'm lightly going to tap the concealer into place. This is also going to ensure maximum coverage. That done, I'm going to drag it outward so that it blends into the foundation I have on. With the same concealer brush, I'm going to take a little bit of powder and dust it under my eyes because this creases the quickest, so you want to set that quickly. And with a bigger powder brush, I'm going to set the rest of my face. For my brows, I'm going to take the Miss Claire Eyebrow Pencil, and I have the shade Dark Brown. I'm just going to brush my brows upward. And then lightly draw a line under here and another line above. Then I'm just going to lightly fill this up. And keep brushing your brows with your spoolie so that that distributes the product. Now onto the fun part, the eyes. I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Sofix Eyeshadow Palette, and from these I think I'm going to play with some pink shades and then golden shimmer shades because they will just look really good with my outfit. So first I'm going to pick this pinky shade on a super big fluffy brush. I'm going to pat this shade into place first. I'm placing it on the outer corner, and then I'm going to slowly blend it inwards and drag it inwards. I'm using a really light hand so that I get a beautiful soft blend. I'm also going to extend it a little bit here because I think that looks really good with my eye shape. Okay, now I think it's beautifully blended in. There are no harsh edges and the shape is to my liking. So yeah, let's move on to the next shade. Next, I'm going to take this darker maroon shade and place it only towards the outer corner of my lid. First, going to tap it here and then slowly drag it inwards in windshield wiper motions. This is not a super dark shade, it is just a shade or two darker than the pink that I had used earlier. I think this Navratri I would suggest you guys that sit and watch whichever is your favorite makeup tutorial, follow your favorite beauty YouTuber and start practicing with them, because most probably you're not going to go out, so you have more time on your hands than you would on in other years. So just take this time and try to practice makeup if you actually are interested to learn, because I definitely think that ever since I started sitting down and start applying the shades on my eyes, so now I know which eye shape I like. I can do like a round shape, and then I can do an elongated one like this, and I think that this one looks the best on my eyes. So like that, when you start practicing, you'll get to know what suits your eyes, what looks you like on yourself. So yeah, I think quarantine is the best time to get started and work on your makeup skills. Now with the pencil brush, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. I'm going to place the darker maroon shade on the outer corner. Now taking the lighter pink shade, I'm going to apply that on the inner corner. And when there's not much left, using that, I'll smoke out the darker shade. Now let's add some shine onto shimmers. First of all, I'm going to take this really nice bronzy shade and apply that on the centers of my lids, not towards the inner corner, only towards the centers. That done, now I'm going to take this champagne shimmer shade and pop it towards the inner corner. I really love the contrast between these two. If you can see that the one on the center is more reddish and bronzy, whereas the one I've applied on the inner corner is more golden champagne sort of shade. So they mix in really well and look really pretty. Now never forget to blend out the harsh lines. Now I'm going to take this light shimmer shade and apply it on the inner corners. Another thing I really like to do here is drag it upwards a little bit. It doesn't look like just one really light shimmer shade on the inner corner. It blends in with the look. Okay, eyeshadow all done. Now I'm going to attempt a wing liner, apply a kajal, put on falsies and be right back. Now let's bring back some warmth and structure to our face. I'm going to place my contour right here and then circle it downwards. This is more like bronzer, like I'm contouring as well as bronzing up my face. I don't want a harsh line, neither do I want, but I do want a little bit of structure. So I'm doing both simultaneously. I'm just placing it here and then going around. I'm not going to place it anywhere lower this point because that will just make my face look droopy, and also remember to push it all the way into your hairline. Now adding a little bit of blush. This time I'm not going to apply it directly on the apples of my cheeks. I'm just going to swipe it like this upwards. With contour, blush, highlight, everything you do, it has to be swiping upwards towards your hairline so that your face looks more lifted and not droopy. Now that I'm done doing that, I don't have much product left on my brush. So now I'm just going to sweep it like this, connect it over my nose as well because that just looks really cute. And a little bit on the chin. For my nose contour, I'm going to pick this brush and try to draw parallel close lines. The closer you draw them, the thinner your nose is going to look. And also I'm going to cut it right here and then draw a V shape downwards. Now for highlighter, I'm taking my fan brush and hitting the highest points of my cheeks. The bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and then I like to swipe it just like that above my eyebrows. Finally, for lipstick, I'm going to apply a combo of two. This is the Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 11, and this is the Essence Shine 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 Lip Gloss, which is my favorite. And there you go, we are ready. I don't see many Indian looks with glossy lips, but I really like how this looks. And pink is such a vibe. Let me put on some earrings and be right back. That is it. I really hope that you guys liked this look and enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.